About 20 years ago, I led a large team in a Fortune 500 company where the average age on my team was 48 and the average tenure with the company was 18 years. I was a young manager in my early 30s who had just been diagnosed with a chronic illness, and time meant a lot to me. So as I would sit and work with my staff, I would have the career conversations that managers are supposed to have with people. I would say to my talented and passionate team, what can I do to help you get to where you want to go next? And almost to a person, they would say, Lisa, I've been doing this a long time. It's not thrilling or exciting, but I'm good at it and I know who I am, and I just need to wait until my last child graduates from higher education or my mortgage is paid off, and then I'll figure out what I want to do next. And for some of them, that waiting period was longer than my entire career had been at that point in time. And because time was so precious to me, I was appalled. That moment of realizing that people were waiting, they were successful but not satisfied and didn't know how to take a next step, or didn't feel they could, it was too risky, or they were afraid of who they would be if they stopped having the title or the position they currently had, led me on a path to leave my own corporate job, to take the risk and to launch a company that's now in its 14th year. We've been doing this work all around the world in looking at how later life careers actually uplift economies, create really impactful jobs, careers, volunteer opportunities, and entrepreneurship for older people in ways that actually make transformative differences to cities and communities all around the world.